Philosophy is a very old and vast subject, but it is not always easy to understand. It is a way of thinking about the world and how we should live in it. Philosophy can be used to describe many different thoughts and ideas, but it has a lot of common themes. One of the most basic principles of philosophy is that there are no absolute truths in the world. There are only beliefs that people have about how things work or what things mean. Philosophy can be used to help us think about our lives and how we want them to go. It offers us ways to think about our values and what we believe in so that we can make decisions for ourselves on what life goals we want to pursue, who we want to spend time with, and what kind of. The history of philosophy from ancient Greek to modern-day systems. Studying philosophy is about investigating heavy and difficult questions. The aim of the blog is to find answers to fundamental questions through contemplation. Some research questions that epistemologists study include what is reality, or how can we obtain knowledge? The study of philosophy consists of addressing life's difficult problems. Unlike other ways of doing this, philosophy is a critical and systematic process and is based on rational argument. The word philosophy is derived from ancient Greek and means love of wisdom. This word derives from phi iota lambda epsilon nu, the Greek word for love, and sigma omicron phi alpha meaning wisdom. Modern-day philosophers and their insights on today's complex issues. Philosophers of the past have been able to come up with some insights about today's complex issues. Philosophers of the past have been able to come up with some insights about today's complex issues. One such philosopher is Immanuel Kant, who wrote his Critique of Pure Reason in 1781. He believed that we should not judge things based on their appearance, but rather on the understanding behind them. This concept is called Kantianism, and it has become a popular philosophy among people who are trying to make sense of today's world. Another such philosopher is Jean-Paul Sartre, who wrote his work Being in Nothingness in 1943 and claimed that we are all free to make our own decisions without being influenced by anything else other than our own desires. This philosophy. The key elements in a philosophical argument and how they work together. Philosophy is a discipline concerned with fundamental problems of existence and knowledge. It includes the study of reason, logic, language as well as body and mind. An argument can be defined as an attempt to persuade someone that a certain conclusion follows from the premises in a logical way. A philosophical argument is one that uses logic to justify a belief or opinion. The premises of the arguments are accepted as true. The goal is to reach a conclusion. A philosophical argument is composed of key components, namely premises, the evidence or reasons behind an argument, used to support its conclusion. Finally, the claim that you want to prove with the evidence given by your premises is. Conclusion, the importance of philosophy even in the age of technology. The conclusion of this essay will be on the importance of philosophy in the age of technology. Technology has come to a point where it is ubiquitous in our lives. It has become a part of our culture and society, but what does that mean for philosophy? Philosophy is an important field that helps us understand life, meaning, and knowledge. It is also a way for us to explore what it means to be human and how we should live our lives. Some people believe that technology has replaced philosophy because it can answer anything we need to know about life, but there are still many things that technology cannot answer, like why we are here or what makes something valuable.